Hi everyone. In this video we will going to see about a foundation of modern security. So in the last session we had discussed about the general security or the previously used security and cryptographic measures. So in that we had seen the traditional method of cryptography, that is traditional way of encrypting a given plain text for converting that into a ciphertext. So in this modern cryptography we will be going for an encryption and decryption technique by using some mathematical formulas and algorithms. So, here a perfect security is a notion that given an encrypted message or a cipher text from a perfectly secure encryption system or a cipher, absolutely nothing will be revealed after the unencrypted message, or it can be a plain text by the cipher text. So, here the modern cryptography consists of two main things, which is an encryption process and a decryption process. This is also done in traditional cryptography, but here the encryption and decryption process are done by mathematical equations and secret keys. So the secret key can either be a public key or it can be a private key. So a perfectly secret cipher has a couple of other equivalent properties. So let us see which are all those properties. Even if given a choice of two plain text, one the real, one for a cipher text, you cannot distinguish which plain text is the real one. That is a perfect message indistinguishability. So there is a key that encrypts every possible plain text to every possible cipher text. So which is, we can represent it as perfect key ambiguity. So this is true only if the keys used are the same size as the message. So the key which is used for encryption should be same size and it should be equal to the length of the message length, which we are going to convert it into a plain text. So here there are two types of algorithms, symmetric algorithm and an asymmetric algorithm. So as this picture clearly reveals that for encrypting a plain text into a cipher text by using symmetric algorithm, we will be using a same key for both receiver and for both sender and receiver. And for an asymmetric key algorithm, we will be using different keys. There is one key is used for encryption and another key is used for decryption. So that is the main difference between asymmetric key algorithm and asymmetric key algorithm. So next we are going to see about a product crypto system. So what is product crypto system means? So it is a data encryption technique where the cipher text from the plain text is obtained by encrypting a plain text document which is subjected for encryption. So here there is a product crypto system means it is a integration of both substitution techniques and transposition techniques. So we had learned some substitution techniques like Caesar cipher, Playfair cipher, monoalphabetic, polyalphabetic, Vignea cipher, etc. And also the transposition ciphers such as Railfin cipher, row column transwinner ciphers in the previous topic. So all those techniques were combined in order to produce a product crypto system. So product means just we are combining or integrating both the substitution technique and transposition techniques. So we and also as a part of modern security, we need to know the difference between a traditional cryptographic system and a modern cryptographic system. So as I say, the traditional cryptographic system will operate on just a key. Either it can goes for a substitution method or a transposition method. So the modern cryptography, it will goes for a binary bit, and we are taking a stream of data or a block of data, and we are also using an algorithm, mathematical equations and algorithm and some algebraic structure in order to perform the encryption, which makes a stronger security to the data when compared to classic or traditional cryptography. So here I had provided the main difference between a classic or traditional cryptography and a modern cryptography. So the things which I explained were given in the slide, and they had segregated in as a cryptography and modern cryptography. So and the next thing is we know what is, you have to understand the next terminology in the modern cryptography is the cryptology. So we know the cryptology means it is a combination of cryptography and cryptanalysis. So we know already, you know what is meant by cryptography. So cryptography means it is an art and science of making a crypto system which is capable of providing information security. So cryptography, it mainly deals with actually securing of digital data. It means to the design of a mechanism based on the mathematical algorithms, and it provide a fundamental information to get security services. And cryptanalysis is nothing but a sister branch of cryptography, and they both coexist. The cryptography process results in the ciphertext for transmission or storage. So cryptanalysis means it is breaking of code in order to identify the key which is used for encryption and decryption. So hope in this session you would have understand about the modern cryptography. So here we had learned about the transposition techniques and substitution techniques, and what is modern cryptography, and what is the difference between traditional cryptography and modern cryptography, and what is the term cryptology. Thank you.